The ferocious rain clinging to a sinking chain, upon which hang the salty sane vein, with aching pain, gaming unseeming feign. Dotting through the fleeting train, claiming sailing rain, onto the streaming ocean came a resounding flame that mustn't gain the faulty midnight storied fame, as it conducts the usual surveillance. Canning the once burgeoning aim, clamming insane with sullied stain, unfolding fleeting rain. It's a gutless brain drain, pollution grain, the follies brain full of disdain. In life's arcane fast lane, delusion plain, Emplane, with eyes strain. In a vicious campaign, redeeming shame, the fallen dame, upholding utter disdain, absent of moral Deign.